So this is an unboxing video for the hydraulic unit that comes with the Harbor Freight scissor lift. As you can see, the box was a little bit battered and bruised by the time it arrived. Central Transport, who were a bit of a nightmare in delivering this thing, took them 4 attempts. Ended up dropping it at the top of my driveway. I've got a 300-foot curved driveway. They couldn't reverse down, so I had to put it on dollies to take it down there. But they failed to deliver. They failed to show up 3 times before this 4th time they finally arrived. So I'm going to unbox this mess, which is the hydraulic unit for the Central Hydraulics, otherwise known as the Harbor Freight scissor lift, £6,000 scissor lift. I'd heard these boxes arrive in pretty bad condition. I think this is the bottom, but I don't think it matters at this point. You can see the state of it. See if it's still in one piece and serviceable. Well, I guess it's upside down, so let's turn it to the way. Made in China. Let's have a look. Well, hydraulic unit seems to be in one piece. And the starter's got a big ding in it, as is the common complaint right here. Is this always gets dinged. Occasionally you'll find one with the reservoir cracked. This actually looks okay. Not sure what happened to the cable there. Luckily it's near the end, so I'm not going to lose that much off it. I could always put a new piece of cable on. Okay, see how heavy this thing is. Here we go. I guess there should be a handle for this somewhere. This is for the release for lowering. I guess there's a pin that goes in there. And the switch housing is all damaged too. Yeah, I mean, they just don't pack these things good. Not at all. See if we've got anything else in the box. Nope. So, there should be a handle on here, which does not exist. So, Harbor Freight, if you're watching, can you send me one, please? And I'll try and fix the rest of this